Hi everyone, this is Dr. Amrika Sheshazi, plastic surgeon. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to talk to you today about a very common surgical procedure that I do. It is called a split thickness skin grafting or an SSG. Skin is the largest organ in our body. It is, in my opinion, the best organ in the body. It protects us, it gives us beauty, it gives us protection. We don't really value it till we lose it. So the top layer of skin is called the epidermis, and then the bottom layer is called the dermis, and then below that is the fat layer. And these two layers are very, very important for our health, well-being, and beauty. Because of accidents, because of burns, or because of some sort of pressure effect that occurs, that is when the skin layers are lost, and that is when the skin layers will need to be replaced. If the depth of the loss is greater than the fat layer, then split thickness skin grafting will not work. Where it will work is where the dermis, which is to say the whitish bit of layer, and then the pigmented layer, which is the brown layer, that's the epidermis. When these two are lost, skin grafting can give excellent results. Skin grafting can also be done on muscle layers, especially in accident cases where we just need to rescue all the tissues and we're not very worried about cosmetic results. So when this is done, first the important thing is to prepare what we call the bed. The bed is the area which receives the graft. So this is the injury, and it's usually covered with a layer of black tissue which we call eschar. Eschar needs to be removed by a process called debridement. Debridement is typically done with a knife, and then later, once the debridement is done and it is all deroofed, completely cleaned up, and then we clean it again with normal saline. And once it is prepared, when the bed is prepared, then we go ahead and we apply the skin graft. And so the skin graft itself does not have its own blood supply. It pulls the blood supply from the bed, which is why bed preparation is so important. What is the take-home message here? Skin grafts can be really life-saving. They can be the best option to heal wounds which are limited to the fat and the muscle. And they can be used adjunctively. Let's say I take a flap, which means tissue from somewhere, and place it here. Even when the skin graft is used to close the donor site. The donor site is that from where I have taken out the muscle, or I've taken out the fascia, or other parts of the skin. So a split thickness skin graft, if suggested by a plastic surgeon, please keep in mind the area which donates the skin, the donor area, regenerates very quickly. And especially in my practice, it regenerates well because I routinely cover it with collagen and give it very gentle therapy. Skin grafts are an essential part of my armamentarium as a plastic surgeon, and I have seen breathtaking results with this. What is important is that you understand what you are going in for as a therapy, and skin grafts can literally save your limb. It can literally save your functionality, and it is a very, very good option in a lot of cases. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you got some information out of it, and please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time.